This conference will now be recorded.
So I'm going to share the screen. So all are able to see the screen now. So we'll start with our sessions today. Like GST implementations in SAP. I have discussed yesterday what is that, how to create conditions type OBQ1. This is the conditions type creations. This is the transactions code for the conditions type. Then we have created accounting keys OBCN. That is your transactions code. Then we have created defined tax procedure like OBQ3. Then assign tax procedure to country OBBG. We have create tax code FTXP. Till this much we have done. And lastly, we have created some GL accounting keys, that is FS00. Okay. So today's is accounting determine assign GL to accounting keys OBD4 and create entries on FB60. Then we have to do payment F53, that is vendor payment. We need to do that. So it will get end today this GST configurations. Then we can start. The time is available cash journals. Okay. So we'll go to we are going to do that. So I'll open the software. Just we'll take one looks whatever we have done. So one questions I want to ask, all of your software is working, students? All
Yes,
of your
ma'am.
software is working. Okay, very good. So now I'll go to this slash and so I'll take just last what I have done slash and FS00. Okay, this is the GL masters what we have created. We'll take a look on this. Assets we have created, expenses we have created, income, liabilities. In the liabilities we have created like here central GST, state GST, interstate GST, out central GST, state GST, interstate. So this all has been created. Now we'll do this transactions part. So in that, any so here we have created rent paid account, interest paid accounts. So liabilities part I have started from this 2 lakhs 3. Okay. So you can see now what we need to do here. OB40. OB40 is for what? Take a look on the slash and OB for 0. Press enter. Directly you can go to the screen. Maintain FI configurations automatic processing procedure. In this, I want to check this positions. How will check? So we have a search area. Choose F2. Stacks all this. So you can see what we have created here. See, our data is here. Now you understood where is our data? Input central GST ZIC, input interstate GST ZII, input state GST ZIS, out central GST ZOC, interstate GST ZOI, and state GST ZOS. So this and all I have done. If I double click on this chart of accounts is MT10. So it will take you to chart of accounts. Now here we have you can see maintain FI configurations atomic processing rules. So what we need to do here is like ZIC for central GST and tax code it is asking. What is the tax code here? What I need to do in this case now, I'm going to show that one. See, a tax procedure has been done, OBBG also done. Next, we are going to see this things like what is the GST T code for that. So this is FS 00 and we are going to enter these things. Vendor invoice. So FB60. Now I'll take this one. ABD4. So here tax accounts. So T code bar assign GL account. So select INP central GST, enter chart of accounts and click on enter. So click on posting key debit entry. So what I'll do here, just go one step back. So here I'll do select and you can click on enter. So posting key it is asking if you click on this. See, there is a rules here. Click on enter and click on posting keys. Okay, click on posting keys. If I click on this, it will ask you the data has to be saved. Okay, account. It is asking as an account. So what I have to give here. So see here students, we have to go to the procedure. If I'll go 1 second. Okay, so I'll just select enter posting keys. Now it is coming posting key. What I'll give here, tell me. 40 is for debit entry and 50 is for credit entry. So credit entry is 50. So this you have to give. So I'm telling step by step. You can just see that. So enter the chart of accounts, click on enter, click on posting key, select 40 and debit. Then accounts INP, it will ask central GST. So after clicking this, we have to click on accounts. So do you want to save? Click on yes and click on this save with that. Company code. So account you have to type central GST 2 lakhs 1. When you are selecting accounts here you can select this, click on here and here we have central GST 2 lakhs 3 I have given. So select this and we have to click on save. So same things I have done here students, click on save but it's like for others also we have to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do one things here, click on save. So save with the company code. Data has been made. Save this and click on this. So slash n. What is the T code? Just now I told you. What is the T code for this? OB42. So one I am showing you through this your pathwise also. SPRO self reference image IMG financial accounting new financial accounting global settings new tax on sales or purchase posting defined tax account. So once we'll do with the pathwise. So SPRO, press enter, self-reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, tax on sales or purchase. Then see basic settings we did, calculations we did. Now we are going to posting. So define tax account. What we have to do? Define tax account. So we got the screen. Either you can go through the T code or you can directly go in this way. So we have to scroll down and we can see where is our tax code. According to that only we need to do. So our tax code is at last. So ZIC, ZI. So I did for ZIC. Now I'll do for ZIS. Okay, what I'll do for ZIS. So chart of accounts, click on this. Now you have to click on posting keys. Yes. So you have to click on posting key. This is your 40 is for debit entry, 50 is for credit entry. click on accounts. Yes, do you want to save this? First you save the data, accounts you have to give. So for this, what I have created, for input state GST, double click on this 2 lakhs 4. Click on save. Are you getting this, students, or you have any confusions here? Are you getting this? Or little slow, I'll make it. So this is little different types. So are you getting? So if you are not getting, let me know. This is a different procedure, students. Okay, today Apeksha also joined. Okay, very good. So you tell me, are you understanding Kunjal? I'm
Yes, ma'am.
asking to all. So this concept a little difficult. So procedures are little difficult. If you are understanding, please please put a thumbs up. If you are understanding, okay, okay. So all are getting. So I'll just take this. Okay, minimize this, and next I am going to do according to the navigation wise. So click on save button and click on this. Now again I'll go to the one more creations like input interstate GST. Double click on this and click on posting key. Okay, click on posting key. It will ask you, do you want to save this data? Yes. Then you have to again go to the posting key, give here as a 40 and this here as a 50. Once you click on this, you can go to the accounts. Yes, it will ask you again. Click on this account. What I need to give here? Tell me what account I have to give. State I have done. So
Interstate,
to
ma'am.
yes, interstate. See, I have done for input. This I have done. Then state 4 I have done. Now I am going to do this one, interstate. Okay, 2 lakhs 5. So 2 lakhs 3 I have done. 2 lakhs 4 I have done. 2 lakhs 5. Now click on save button and click on save. Little mistakes means it will be very difficult in the posting time. Okay, so be careful when you are doing this. Okay, next I am going to do output central GST. So double click on this. This is for sales. So you have to click on posting keys. Click on this and click on again posting key. This is I have to give 40 and credit is 50. Okay. After this you have to click on accounts. Save the data first. Hmm? So here we have to select what is that? Out central GST. So 2 lakhs 6. So click on the save button. So click on the save button, save with the company code. Likewise, we have to do another two more. Like this is state GST, state out GST. Double click on this, click on posting keys and click on posting key again. This is 40 is for debit entry, 50 is for credit entry. So click on accounts, yes, and we'll get this. This is for what? State, right? I have done for state now. So 2 lakhs 7. Click on save and save this. Likewise, we have to do for interstate. For the interstate, click on posting key. Yes. And again click on posting key. 40 is for debit. 50 is for 2 times posting key. You can click. Click on accounts. And here we have to do like last one is out interstate GST. 2 lakhs 8. Click on save. Click on save with the company itself. So changes have been made. All these things has been done. All these things has been created. Next what we have to do, likewise we have entered. This is now vendor invoice. Okay, so vendor invoice. See, I have mentioned here. Likewise do for other accounts. So you need, don't do one and stop. You have to create for all 6 accounts. So create entries FB60. Now we'll go to the FB60. slash n FB 60. Okay, so vendor invoice. This is what enter vendor invoice company code. So here we have to take transactions. What you have to take transactions here? ABCD vendors. So now I am creating one. If I have a vendors, I'll be going to use that one. Okay. So here I have given ABCD vendors, but I am not going to take that one. If any vendors is there, I'll be taking that. See, I have a Dell Private Limited, SP Private Limited. So if I'll be taking SP Private Limited, invoice date I am giving today's date 6. Okay. So amount I'll give suppose 6 lakhs or 60,000 I'm giving. Okay. So what is that here? This is 1 lakh amount has been given. We can take anything 6 lakhs. Calculations type, central tax and state tax you have to give. Amount, tax code, purchase account, this one. So simulate. So it is simple as you have done this. If you have done any vendor account, it will be very simple. Okay, next tax amount you need not to do, calculate on the tax you have to do. Here you have to select what is that, uh, INP central tax and this one. So for all tax one transactions we can do that. So text is what text has to be given here. So don't do anything here, just leave like this. You can write purchase of goods or something, but I'm going to give directly here GL accounts. So what I have to do here, GL account. One more thing I want to show you, in purchase account we need to activate or not, we'll see once. Okay, so I'll just take purchase account, try once. If it is not taking, then I'll show you like what can be done. Okay, amount is how much? 6 lakhs. Amount is 6 lakhs here. Tax code is already activated. You can see that X1 has been activated, and we have to take business area, that is for MT10. Okay, and other things we should not do. This is your MT10 only, then you can do simulate. So cash you should not put, only purchase 1 lakh, tax code, and simulate the button. If I simulate, it is accepting or not, check once. So account is not tax relevant. Tax code will be ignored. Now you understood. This account is not tax relevant. That's what I am showing you what the mistakes has been done, because purchase, this is a purchase account, we have not enabled tax there. So what we need to do, we have to come out from the sessions now, and we have to go to the slash n fs double zero, enter. Now I'll go to the expenses account, purchase accounts I have, right? So we have to go to the change. Where is the change? Here you can change it. So your purchase account control data, we have to enable tax category. Tax category I have not enabled, that's what it is not displaying. Okay, so other things I have done. So this tax creations has to be done here. 1 minute, students. Understood, students? Now you can see tax code I have enabled right now. So without that I have not mentioned in the notes, but you have to enable the tax category. Okay, then click on save. That must has to be changed. So likewise, if you are doing the sales transactions, we'll do sales transactions also today. So for customers, if it's possible, then we can select here, and what is that your change. So here also tax category we can select here. See, input central tax I have done. Right now what I have to do here, out central tax, right? For sales we have to do out central tax. So X3, click on save button. Okay, once it has been click on save, it has been done. Now you come back to this here slash and FB60. Okay, slash and FB60, that is for vendor invoice. Now I am going to select the vendors. We'll try once again. So HP Private Limited, I am taking invoice date is 6. Okay, posting date also 6. Amount I am giving same 6 lakhs only I am giving. And GL account, so here tax class, calculate tax you have to do here, and we have the pointer here. So all are getting this. So here we have to select X1. Okay, X1 I have created X1. See, other people they have created different one. See here. Okay, that we need not to use. What we have created, that only we have to use. So here I have to select purchase account. Where is the purchase account? Here. Okay, so this is debit, and tax has been already activated, so I'll give business area mt10. Okay, once I'll give mt10, simulate this. Now account as I not completed for other. Okay, business area I need to give here mt10. Now you try to simulate. So posting is possible on the zero balance current document. Okay, so what we need to do here, mm, 1 second, I'll just check it. Okay, amount I have not given student. That's the reason it is not taking. Okay, now you try to simulate. It is accepting now. So 6 lakhs have to put. Okay, now you can see HP Private Limited purchase account. See, you can see very nicely on the screen. This is called document overview. Now I'll tell you one more things here. 31 is for what? This is for vendor. 40 is for purchase. 40 is for central tax, and 40 is the input tax. Why this is? Because this is the debit entry. Okay, so you can see here X1, X1, X1. Why it is showing? Because purchase I have enabled. So automatically the tax has been calculated here itself. Okay, and what we need to do directly, either you can park the documents or else directly you can post it. So complete means also save park document as a completed, but right now I am going to post it. So what is the PK? Some one day one student has asked me what is PK? Posting keys. Okay, now it is showing with the GST itself. Now I'll go to the save buttons. Once you click on
Ma'am,
save
did
button,
we enter
document
the
3
amount?
lakhs 3. Huh, tell me, someone is asking. Huh.
Ma'am, did we enter the amount, ma'am?
Yes, amount I have entered. Without amount, it is showing no amount is zero balance. You cannot this one. Okay, so that's the reasons I have done. Okay, all the students, you understood? Any doubts is there? Let me know. So amount you have to put on this GL accounts also. Then you will get to know the students. Okay. So I will do one more transaction, so everyone will get clear on that. Okay, one more transactions will be taking. Now suppose that my transactions value is amount is like 7 lakhs or 6 lakhs 500 I'm giving here. I'll take Dell Private Limited. Okay, so select here as a Dell Private Limited. The second one 3 lakhs 5 I'm going to take. Invoice date I'm giving here 6 like today's date, and amount I am giving suppose 7 lakhs, anything you can give. And here what we have to do here, calculate tax. One more take an example. So see, automatically it's, I'll tell you with the inclusive tax also today. So this is with tax I am telling, means like in tally also we are using, like suppose amount your say like coming 7 lakhs. So 18% GST means it will calculate 9% CGST and 9% SGST. Likewise here we are taking the 20%, 28%. Okay. So in that case what you have to do, here I'll take one more transactions, then I'll do the interstate also. Okay. So first I'll take one more example from central and state tax. So it will be clear for everyone. And next we have to take this one. So GL account you have to select purchase account. You can create one more interstate purchase account for this. Shall I create one more so you will not be confused, students? Purchase account I have created, one more interstate purchase accounts I'll be creating, and I'll show you how to enter this. Okay, so here amount you have to enter or else it will not accept. Okay, and here business area MT10. So after this, what we need to do, we have to do simulate. So account assigned not is come from business area, it will ask you, so enter the business area and click on simulate once again. So now you can see Dell Private Limited 7 lakhs. Okay, purchase is this much, and with the central GST and state GST, how it is calculating. Got it? So 40 and 40 it is displaying. So click on save button. So document 3 lakhs 4 was posted in the MT10. Is that clear? Any students have any doubts? Hmm? So it has been posted, still payment is not done. Okay, so now I'll take one more example like slash and FS00. Okay, I'll create one interstate purchase account under liabilities or under expenses I need to create. So 4 lakhs 4 I'm going to create. 4 lakhs 4. One second. So PLN account expenses interstate purchase is okay, interstate purchase you give purchase account. So control data. What I need to do here, students? Shall I use tax category? Yes. So interstate GST you have to select. So open line items, that is line item display 001. Okay. And create a bank interest on this. What I should select here? G001. Here we should not change anything here. Okay. Save this. Likewise, I have to create for sales also. So 3 lakhs 4 is there. I'm going to do 3 lakhs 5. So 3 lakhs 5. So go to this your PLN account income, and this is what? Interstate sales. So any doubts in this? Control data tax category. You have to select here. Interstates means output we have to select. So this is the things out central GST. So export, and tell me any things you are asking. Anyone is asking something? Hello, students. Anyone is asking something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all are getting. Okay, now see here. Uh, Click on save button. Come back to this slash n FB60. Okay, GL accounts. So now I am going to do one interstate sales. So what I'll do here, suppose same vendors I am taking, HP Private Limited, but it is in I think Karnataka, so it will not take in this way. So we have to go to this once vendor creations. So if I'll take Dell Private Limited, we'll just see it is taking or not. invoice date. We'll just try it. And this amount is like 7,50,000. Here we have to calculate the tax. I'll be taking your input interstate GST. Okay. Then purchase account. So what we have to select, interstate purchase account. We have created interstate purchase account. Interstate sales, this is. Here it is. Okay. So this is debit. Amount is 7,50,000. X2 automatically it is activated as a X2 business area, MT 10. Press enter. So business area it is asking MT 10. Then simulate. So you can observe, students, that time it was showing 4 lines. Now it is showing 3. Why? Because this is not divided. That time CGST SGST like it was dividing. This is now interstate GST, that is central tax and state tax it was, and now it is integrated tax, means interstate GST. So it will only one entry is here, and you have to go to the post the documents. So taxes, if you want to see, control F10. So shall I see here one taxes once? I'll show you how it will be work. So this is X2 tax calculations here, amount percentage. So 28% according to that amount has been calculated. You can see here, students. So suppose you want to know how it has been calculated. So here it will show according to 20% wise. Okay. Then you have to click on post the documents. You can park it. We will park this document or will directly post. Hmm? We'll post it. So document 3 lakhs 5 was posted in the company code MT10. Got it? So any doubts in this? Understood how to do? Then we'll do some sales transactions. So now what is the T code for customer invoice? Okay. One set I'll finish first. Like if I'll do payment. So what is the T code for this slash n? F-53. Is it? Post outgoing payments. This is for vendor payments. So you have to select the document date, and what is that, suppose last transactions I'm going to do. I did not remember for this. I think 6 lakhs I have given for this HP, and here you have to do your bank account, ICICI Bank. Amount is, I'll give you 7 lakhs, 7 lakhs 550,000 we did no just now. 7 lakhs 50,000, did you remember, students? So value date 6. Okay. Account, what is the account I have taken for this person? Okay. And we have to post the open items. So one item has been selected. Then what we'll do, we have to post it. So document 4 lakhs was posted in the company code. How we can see the line items? How we can see the line item? This has been so posted. Now we have to go to the financial accounting, accounts, display balances, execute this. Now you can see this is different one. Okay, I have to check one more with the tax code now. Okay, so document number is required, I think. So this is the customer line item, sorry, this is the customer line item, students. I'll just go escape. Higher accounts payable, uh here this is vendor line items. So I have to select which document number I want to see this. Execute. So here it is showing 7 lakhs 50,000. Okay, 7 lakhs 50,000 it is displaying. If you double click on this, you can see the here what is the amount has been given. Okay, so this is the name of the seat is 3 lakhs 5 7 lakhs. Okay, 7 lakhs 50,000 you can get it here. Got it? So any doubts in this? Any doubts in the students? So we have done before 35,000, that also it is there, and we have done today 5 lakhs. So that is also it is displaying. Tax code I shown you how it is displaying. Okay. Likewise, if I'll do for one more items like HP, so this I have still pending is there 6 lakhs. So I have not cleared. So it is the balance is there. So I need to go to post the payments here slash and what is that? F-53. Sorry, 53 not. Slash and FB60. I need to post payment. Okay. Yes, yes. This is correct only. So we need to select the document date as a 6. So for account number, which account I have to select? Bank account. So amount is 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs for whom we have entered? For HP Private Limited, right? So value date 6 accounts we have done for HP Private Limited. Okay, so process open items. It has been selected here. If anything is wrong, it will show you the warning message. You will not be able to do that. So click on what is that post means payment has been done. Once it has been done, you can see document 4 lakhs 4 was posted. Why 4 lakhs? Because this is an expenses account. Okay, now you have to come out from the line and we can say display line items. So what I have to select here? Vendor line items. So HP Private Limited, execute this button. Okay, longer text clear items. What's this? Now you can see that time it was displayed. Now it is the tax code. So 6 lakhs also display. We have entered before 40 lakhs also. So that's the display here. So 6 lakhs today we have entered on 6th February KR and KZ. Got it? 4 item has been displayed. So here normal items, we have a special chiller transactions parked items. If you have a parked items, you have to click on this because I have directly posted, so I need not to require all these things. Okay, understood. Suppose here you are removing this special jail journal transactions. Click on this. There is no special jail long text. Okay, so I have normal items and I have clicked on this. You can see that the transaction has been done. Okay, likewise we have to do for sales. This is what change documents. This is your display document. Acha. One more thing, I'll just click here. I want to see the display document. Can I display the documents? So if I click on this, now you can see what I have entered. You can see here, this is called display document line items 1 0 0 1. So 3 lakhs company code, Tata Group of company, amount 6 lakhs, business. All these things I have entered. Okay. Long text, if you display long text for the items, if you click on this, it will be showing some long text. Does not require, I have not given any long text here. Okay. So if I want to see these transactions and I want to see what I have done there. So you can see here I have done also 6 lakhs. Okay, so these are the things. This is called your mask changes, nothing new, change layout. If you click on the change layout, it will ask what the layout has to be changed here. So in this document type force is there line 2, it is there line 1, it is line 3. So if I'll go to the line 1, clearing date, posting date. So here we have an option short ascending order, short descending order. Suppose I'm clicking short ascending order, click on copy. You can see this is the short layout applied. Already it has been applied. So this is called your layout option, sorting descending, sorting ascending. Okay, so here we can find what I need to find. Scan field also there. This much you don't do. I will confuse orders. And next is your clearing dates when you're the business area, so you can select on business area, and this is the business place, copy and paste it. This and all, you can just check it out. This is already ascending order. So if I want to do descending order, baseline items, base payment date, according to this, what field list you are selecting on that, according to the it will be arranged here. Okay, cash discount if you have done, contact type, cost centers. Okay, credit control area, document date wise. So if I'll do document date wise, click on copy. So document date wise, so basically we are doing ascending order and descending. So this and all you can do that. Okay, so master records, this already fk create, this is all block. Acha, one more thing here, any things you want to block, unblock the vendors, you can do from here itself. Okay, any doubts in that till now? So we can proceed to the sales. Okay, so all these things has been done, you understood this? Any doubts is there? So students, let me know if you have any doubts. If you understood, put a thumbs up. If you have doubt, raise your hand. Apeksha, you understood? Misha, Apeksha and Misha,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. You can ask it without any hesitations, right? So don't hesitate and ask frequently. Like if you have any points you are not understanding. Now we'll do for sales. So what will that sell of goods? So for that we require customer creations. So what I need to do here? Tell me, what is the customer? What is that invoice? How to go to the customer invoice? Hmm? How to go to the customer invoice? Anyone? Hmm? Customer invoice, how to do? So this is a general posting. Okay. So I'm not going to do general posting. Invoice. FB70. That is called customer. FB60. Make a note on this. FB60 for vendor invoice. FB70 is for customer invoice. I'll just go to the one step. See, if you are forgetting the T code in the practical time, go through the navigation wise. You'll get this. It is in SAP Easy Access. FB70 is the customer invoice. F28 for incoming payments, F53 for outgoing payments. Okay, understood the students? So how we have to do, just click on this and we have to do now customer invoice. So what I need to do here, click on this. I need to select Redmi Vivo. This is not mine. So so I have to change the company code here. This is M45. So my company is MT10. Okay. Once you click on this, don't enter any other. So you will not be able to edit on this, because if I try to edit, it will not save your data. So I have Alpha Traders, Lenovo Private Limited, Oppo Private Limited, Samsung Private Limited, so on Private Limited. So I'm going to the Alpha Traders first. Okay, and posting invoice date, I'm going here 6. Okay, and amount, take as some examples of 45. Suppose 4,50,000 ticket. And here what we need to select, calculate tax. Now I'm asking you students, tell me what tax calculations I have to select. What tax calculations I need to select. Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone students? Anyone can answer me now? Yes. Tell me what tax code I have to select. I have X1 for central and state tax, X2 for interstate purchase tax, X3 for intrastate means central and state output tax, that means sales, and X4 I have for interstate sales tax code. So which I need to select? Tell me. Hello? No one is answering? Right now we have shown you the screen, right? So I am doing sales. We have to select this one, X3, right? X3 we need to select. Hello students, are you getting my voice? Response.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I am selecting X3. Okay, why X3? You can see out central and state tax. This is I am selecting. Okay, then I'll create today one more vendor and customer. I'm thinking then you will be clarified with the interstate ones. So first let me do for intrastate transactions, and this is what I have to select. uh, Interstate purchase, lot of accounts is there. So sales account, where is our sales account? This is credit or debit?
Ma'am, why sales account, ma'am?
Tell me why sales account I have to do. Now I am asking you questions why I am
Ma'am,
entering sales account.
I thought purchase account, ma'am.
I taught you customer invoice, right? Customer means what? How one person will become customer? Tell me that. See, when they are selling the product to any person, that person is this our debtor, right? So in the
Yes,
GL account, see for vendor I have entered purchase account. Likewise for customer invoice I need to enter sales account because I am going to sell. Correct. So your debit or credit. See, when I am doing the purchase entry, purchase account debited to what is that? Dell Private Limited. Purchase account debited to Dell because a credit purchase. After this, we are making payment. That is a different condition. But when we are selling, sales account will be debit or credit. Sales account will be debit or credit. Normal
credit,
transactions. All
ma'am.
you are becomes all are common students, right? So I am asking that one. Huh? Tell me who is speaking now? Meghna.
Credit, I guess, ma'am.
Who is speaking now? Hmm? Who is answering me now?
I guess credit, ma'am.
Okay, yes, sales is credit. Okay, so sales is credit. We have to select credit. Amount how much? 4,50,000. Okay, so X3 tax code has been selected. We need not to change. Just give the business area MT10. Okay, press enter. So credit limit exceeds. Oh, okay, so we cannot give this much amount. Okay, we'll reduce this amount or else. So I'll just come back once again. My credit limit is crossing, so that's what. So credit limits, I'll take one short amount for this. Invoice date 6. Amount I am giving, suppose 35. 35 I've taken. What I'll give? 75,000. Credit limits cross means you will not able to give here. So we can purchase, but when you are selling, there is a credit limits. Okay. So here we have to do sales account. You should understand the warning message. You should not ignore. If you ignore, you will not be able to do that. Okay. 75,000. And now I'll select the tax code. Oh, calculations tax you have to do. So X3. Okay. So it is activated here. Then I'll do business is empty 10. So what I'll do, press enter. It's green means it has been correct. So accounts assignments not completed for business area. So empty 10. And then you simulate. Now see here 50-50 is coming. You understood 50 for sales. Central takes GST out, that is your 50-50. So automatically system has been generated how it is calculating. Understood students how it is calculating here? Click on post. So we have to do incoming payment for this. How to do incoming payment? Your F28. Select this item. That is your amount account is like this ICICI bank account. I'll give amount is 75,000. Value date 6. And accounts is what I have to do here. Press Alpha Traders. Alpha Traders we have taken, right? So we have to click on process line items. It has been selected. Click on this. Document was been posted. So if I want to see this accounts, we have to go display ledger balances. So double click on this customer line items. You have to select, and this is your alpha traders clear items. Click here. Now you can see all the details has been displayed. So DR DZ is displaying. So 75. We have do two transactions, right? So 75,000 today we have done, 30,000 we have done before. So if I'll click on this, and I want to display this one, display the documents, you can see what I have entered here. Assignment numbers automatically it will generate students. You need not to do that. Okay. So got it till any doubts you have? Posting date, all items you can see. Posting date, if I'll give 6 and execute this, you can see all the same. So this is the posting date, 2 days only it will display. If I'll click on this as a posting date is like 1. Okay, so posting date transactions here, clear items date. I have to change here also. Open edit key date. Okay, suppose I am taking, sorry. So clearing date, if I'll give here this one, okay. Posting date also, if I'll change it as a this one, I have to execute. So no items has been done. Okay, maybe that is we have not done, so it is not displaying. Okay, so understood this. Now, if I'll create one more vendors or one more customers, what I'll do here in this case, students, So stay online. So I'll show you once again like new vendors you can create and you can do on that. Okay, new vendors, when you are creating that time we need to do same from the beginning, you have to start. Okay, so here if I'll do vendor creations, we'll just see vendor creations directly we can create with another states or vendor suppliers. Okay, Cintiq editor, GL account. Okay, so we'll create one vendor. Okay, we'll do one more things or else we'll try if it is possible. So go to the SPRO, press enter, self-reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, oh sorry, your accounts receivable and payable, and then we have to create vendor accounts, master data, preparations, creating vendor master data. So define accounts group for the vendor account. Okay, so I want to create one more vendor account. So click on positions, click on new entries. So accounts group. So I'll create here TAVN already there. Okay. We'll create direct vendors if it is possible. I'll show you that one now. Here we have to, sorry, FK01. FK, this is already created group, we need not to create. So slash directly slash and FK01. So directly we can create vendors because vendor for this it is there. So if you click here, enter, so it has been already there. So I need to create one more vendors. So what I need to do here, accounts group what I have created that we have to give. So just select TAVN. I think I have given. I'll just check it out. TAVN or MTVN. One second. Uh, TAVN. Yes, domestic vendor for this one. So I'll select this and place on enter. It will take you to that side. We can create one more vendors. So don't forget this T code directly you can create. So vendor I'll take as a company. Okay, I'm going to create because I'll try to change this reason, and because I'll do one interstate sales. So maybe that transactions it is little different. So this will be different here. I'll take Tamil Nadu supplier. Take like this I am giving. Uh, So here I'll give postal code. I'm not giving city. I'm not giving country. This is all mandatory. We'll see that it can be done or what. So click on this, and this is for Kerala. Tamil Nadu is there. Yes, Tamil Nadu is there. 22. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll press enter. Now customer. It is asking create vendors. Okay. So press enter. Sorry, this is not we have to do. No, just a minute. Company. Okay. This is your Tamil Nadu supplier. Country India. Reason is 22, I think. 22 for Tamil Nadu. Okay. Click on save. So fill all the records. Okay. Reconciliations account Sunday creditor I have given, and cash management A1. Okay. Short key we have to select posting date. Understood, students? Now you have to click on this save button. So right now I have created what is that? Tamil Nadu suppliers. Okay. So likewise we can create for customer also, vendor account. Sorry, customer accounts also you can create FK01, that you have to remember. Then I am going to post this entries, that is FB60. So FB60 I want to post it slash and FB60. So again this is a one interstate transactions I'm going to do, and this is Tamil Nadu supplier, but postal code. Okay, I have not given this. So here invoice date is 6. Amount is I am giving here 25 lakhs 500. Okay, 25,500 I have given, and this is your purchase account. So interstate purchase we have to select interstate purchase. What is that? Here it is. Tax code we have to select here. This one, I think, yes. So interstate, this is amount is 2 lakhs, so 25,500, and X2 tax code has been given, then business area MT10. Okay, students, press enter. So accounts business area MT10, then you click on simulate. Now you can see it is calculating here Tamil Nadu suppliers. Click on post. So interstate GST X2 is this much, you have to select and do that. Got it? Likewise, we can do for one customer account if it is there. Okay. So we'll do for one customer interstate. Okay. So I'll close this. For customer, we can see once. I think that is FD01. Okay, I'll just check it. FD01 slash N FD01. Yes, customer creation screen. This is domestic customer. So what we need to do here, press enter. Directly you can go to the screen company, and I'll create customer for this different reason. What customer I'll create, like Tamil Nadu supplier is the Tamil Nadu customer I'm creating. Tamil Nadu. So are you getting, students, how it is working? Anyone has any doubts? Anyone has any doubts till now?
No,
Hello,
ma'am.
students. You are getting why I'm creating this, because whatever customers we have created till it is in Karnataka. Right now I'm creating for Tamil Nadu customer. Okay, see here. So Tamil Nadu customer, and we have to click postal code. I'm not giving city, I'm not giving, I don't know that. So here I'll select India, and reason I should give here Tamil Nadu. So that is 22. Okay. So you have to select, and what you have to do, company code data. Okay, reconciliation account, accounts receivable, you can select. And suppose one more thing, students, if you have created Sunday data, that is also okay, does not matter. You can create accounts payable, accounts receivable also. Accounts payable, if you are creating, it will comes under, what is that? Expenses. Accounts receivable is an income. So I have created accounts receivable as income, and Cash management, you can give students A1 and short key 001. If you are creating sundry debtor also does not, it will accept. Okay, but sundry debtor you have to create under assets. So you have to click on save. Now customer, this 6 lakhs 12 has been created in the company MT10. So after this you close the screen and we have to do invoice FB70 now. What customer I have created right now? I have created Tamil Nadu customer. Invoice date is 6. Okay. Amount how much I'll give here? Tell me. Like I'll give suppose 55,000. And here we have GL account. Interstate sales. We have interstate sales? Yes. We have interstate sales. So credit is there. Amount is 55,000. Okay. Then you have to, oh sorry, here you have to calculate the tax code is last one x4. Okay, so it is once you will activate here, it will activate here also. So business area, so business area MT10 you have to give, press enter. So account as I not completed business area you have to give, it is asking, just select this and click on simulate. Once you click on simulate, now you can see 01 for customer, 50 interstate sales, and this is why 50-50 students, because it's a credit line items, right? Credit entry, debit is 40-40 was displaying, this is now credit. Any doubts in this? You understood? Acha, one more thing I want to tell you students. So click on post. Now edit options you go once and check it what has to be done. See here when we are doing inclusive tax, some one options have to be activate. So I'll show you that one once more. Okay, so this is your normal things and all. We did but interstate purchase, we did interstate purchase, we did interstate sales, we did interstate sales, all these things has been done. Right now I'm going to show you like how to do inclusive tax. So click on edit option students and click and calculated tax on net amount. To click on edit options, so we have options called calculate tax on net amount. So make a note on this if you are not knowing. Write this to understand. Anyhow, this file I am going to send in the group today. But whatever entries I have done, you can see on the recordings itself that questions are not there. You can record the, you can follow the recordings also as well as the steps also. Okay, understood students how to do this? Now we'll do here calculate tax on net amount. So first I'll check me where I am in customer invoice. So I need to do vendor invoice. I'll come out from this line and I'll go to the FB60 slash and FB60. Okay. So here we can go to the edit options. Then calculate tax on net amount. Click on activate and come back here once more. So you can see these options I have done. Or you can press enter. So the new options has been activated. If you will not press enter students, it will not be saved. Okay. So you have to edit on this. Now it has been activated. Then we'll do one more entries on this. So take an example of HP Private Limited. That is interest rates only I'm doing. And this is 6. Amount I'll give suppose 85,000. GL account. Sorry. First we need to activate this. Then GL account, purchase account. This is debit here, and amount is 85,000. And this is your business area. What you have to do here, business area empty 10. Press enter and empty 10. Select this and simulate now. Okay. So this is now inclusive tax. Click on taxes. You can see here how it is calculating. So if I'll turn the screen, you can see here how it is calculating. Here one button is there, that is for continue. If I'll enter, you can see here taxes. Just your continue button, nothing you have to do here. See, posting period 11 is showing because it's a February month. Next month it will become 13. Okay, so posting period for 6 to calculate tax here, documentary, document numbers, posting date, all these things is displaying students like that. One more thing, if I am doing per interstate, so two tax is displaying, right? Central tax and state tax. This is inclusive tax. But if I'll do interstate, then only one central state, not interstate tax will be displayed. So all are getting. If you are understanding, then response students. If you are understanding, put a thumbs up. If you are not understanding, raise your hand. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now you can see. So this all we have done. Simulate, save the buttons and all these things it will be displaying. So line item display also you should check the students. What is the line item display? You can go then. So automatically it has to be clear here. So come back. Do you want to exit? It's asking. Oh, we have not posted. That's what it is asking here. Simulate. We have to post here. So that's what. So we have posted this document. Now we'll do payment for this. Payment. How to do payment here? So this is customer invoice we have done. Vendor we have done, right? Or customer we have done. Just to check. Document display 023. I did not remember that number. Okay. Okay, it is displaying now. Okay, now you can see the tax full calculation is displaying 14,000, that is for 28% X1, and this is my amount 6 lakhs 65 lakhs 625. This is inclusive tax. It is all displaying. Okay, display currency also display, and you can see the reports here display document data tax how it is calculating. Okay, students, understood this? Any doubt is the report part is very important. You can see display document, data entry view. So we'll get to know what percentage you have created. I'll tell you one more things when you are creating this tax code. I have created for 28%. You can create for 18%, like same procedure. 18%, just give the X 5 or something like this and create it for 18%. 5%, what are the slabs rate for the GST, you can create the tax code. Okay, just like if I'll tell on service sectors, that is only 18%. Suppose I am taking on electronics items like laptop, mobiles, so I need to if I'm doing purchase that items, I need to create the tax code for the 18%. That is CGST, SGST 18% if I am doing business within the state. If I am doing business with this the other states, I need to create 18% integrated tax. That means interstate purchase account. So that's the tax code you can create. Yesterday I have created. So the same procedure you can follow, and you for your practice you can create some different tax code. Procedure won't be changes, only tax rate will be changed. Understood, students? So this is the things of your GST calculations, a bigger topic. Practice with this. If any doubts, anything is there, let me know on that. Okay, so that's all. I'll let me know if you have any point you have stuck out. So I'll repeat today's any point you have stuck out, any points you have doubts. Yes, anyone? I know this is a little difficult concept. It will take time. Basically, the GST configuration part in SAP is the lengthier one. So you can follow the recordings and you can practice with this. If you have done with the vendors and customer or invoice entities, then it will be easy for you. But what is that? As I shown you, this procedure are little lengthier. When we are creating this, I'll show you the steps once first beginning. Okay, see here. Uh, See, when we are creating for the step one conditions type, everything I have given details. Only transactions you can follow the recordings. Normal transactions like purchase goods worth rupees 55,000 from the alpha traders, like that. So create accounting keys, follow this, define tax procedure OBQ3, assign tax procedure to country OBBG, create tax code for FTXP, that is the very important. Create tax code FTXP, I'll show you once again. We'll do that. Slash N FTXP. Sorry, country is India. Click on this. See, I'll show you. Instead of telling, I'll show you one. Suppose I am creating X5. So is it taking X5? Press enter. We have to create tax code for this. So what I'll create INP. Okay. So select here. I'll take here central tax. Suppose I'm taking this, and I'll just change the percentage as an 18%. Understanding, student, how to do this? Huh? Are you understanding, means put a thumbs up. So I'll proceed then. Are you understanding? Okay. So we are going to create one more tax code. See here. 18% tax type. Tax type, what will be there? It will be input tax, V. Okay, after this click on continue button and your same procedure, it's a lengthier procedure you have to follow here. So here central tax, how much it will become for 18%, how much it will be there? 9, is it? What I have entered there? 14 I have entered, so here I'll put 9. Okay, so what you have to do here, save. So text code was created like this, we have to create. If I press enter, you can see 9,000. Understood, students? Likewise, we have to create for x6. So x6, what I have to do? Input interstate GST. Okay, so I'll type here 18%. 18%. So tax type is what? V input. Press continue here. So directly you have to come here. What I'll type here? 18%. Press enter or save it. If I want to see this, I can see here 18%, right? Click on this. So likewise, we can do, what is that? Slash n. What is the T code for this? I told you, OP. FTXP, sorry, FTXP. This tax code is very important. Don't forget this T code. It's very much important. It may comes in online exams. India. Click on this. Now I'm going to create X7. Press enter. So OUT output central tax. I'm going to give here 18%. Okay. Tax type, what I have to select? A. So press continue. What I'll give here? You have to give here 9. And state is also 9. Press save. Okay, so if I'll press enter, I can see it's a 9,000. Likewise, I have to create x8. So press enter. Here we have to do out interstate tax. So I'm going to change it here as a 18%. Understood? So tax type is output tax. Click on continue button. So interstate I am giving here 18. Click on save. So if I want to enter, I can see 18,000. So understood, students? Likewise, we can create for the others. So now you can do invoice entries for that. So any doubts in this till now? Okay, students, one more thing I want to tell you to all students. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll be showing you one informations here. See, our NICT is the only authorized center for the SAP. Okay, NICT is the only authorized center for SAP. So, one second, I'll just give older message. I'll be showing you one link. One second. So here I can show you one screen. Now all are able to see the screen, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you some things here. NICT Jayanagar is the only authorized centers here. In Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, all these things. Okay. So I'll show you that one second. See here, our name is displaying in top only. NICT Computer Educations Private Limited. This NICT Jayanagar is the only authorized center for SAP, FICO, then this one your like NSD, all these things are there. So here we have the our current locations like Bhagwati Towers, 33 Cross, 4th floor, Jayanagar floor, and Bangalore in India. This is our center head names, owner name, and here this is only our center is authorized in entire Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, here only. Okay, so if anyone wants to join this for SAP class, you can contact with us. Okay, only this one is the authorized center in entire Karnataka. Okay, so that's what I told you, students. And if anything is there, if you want, I'll tell you some more things. Okay, so that's all we'll do, and I'll tell you a little bit about a cash. So discussions about the line current assets today now. So you got the information, students? Hello? Yes, students, all are able to see the screen? All are able to see the screen? Okay, Kunjal. Kunjal, I want to ask you one question. Your software has been installed, Kunjal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it working?
Ma'am, I'll be opening it now. I reached like 15 minutes ago
Okay.
only.
Admin sir has told you how to open it or some things like that.
Yes, ma'am. He told me if I'm not able to open it, I can call him tomorrow in the
Yes,
evening and
yes.
he'll like.
Huh. Procedure he told. So you follow that. Anywhere you stop, contact him. He's the only system admin who is installing the SAP software itself. Other than him, no one can install. So that's what the reasons.
Okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
you can contact if anywhere you stuck. Other students, your softwares are working. Meghna, Sanvi, Tejasri, Srinidhi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Practice
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
students. And now one small topics, this theory I'll be taking for few minutes today. That is called cash journals. Okay, so I am thinking to first to tell you cash journals. So we have lastly two topics left for this SAP class. What is that? We have what I'm saying, dunning procedure, sending a letters to this, and we have a cash journal. So dunning procedure is at last. Okay, dunning means sending a reminder letter to the customer to make the payment. To whom? To the vendors. So one more thing I want to show you. Maybe it may comes in exams now. See here we have options called create a new sheets, and just like in Excel we are opening new sheets like this, we can create on one new sessions, means one new page it will open like SAP easy access. Now I can come back to here I can come back, here I can come back, all this. Okay, right now I am here, I want to start a new session. So how many new sessions can be start? That will be limit is 6. Make a note on this. SAP Easy Access is here. Okay, SAP Easy Access. So how many sessions I can open? I can open only 6 sessions. If you click on this, one more sessions has been activated, one more session, SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access. Okay, suppose I am, why it is using, suppose I am working on this financial accounting, accounts receivable, I am doing here document entries. If I want to see the, suppose I am want to open the documents, accounts part I am going, FDL 1 and 0 balance I want to see execute. Okay, so this I am opening this, so I want to open a one more sessions, I can click on this, and one more SAP Easy Access screen will be open. Okay, so you can work particularly on this. So customer vendor line, see I am in customer line items, SAP Easy Access. If you don't want, you can come out from this. If you don't want, you can. So hardly how many can be open, that is the questions. Total is 6 new sessions can be open, not more than that. Okay, now I am in suppose SPRO. Why I am showing you, maybe cash journals I'll be starting tomorrow. I'll just show you some important things here. SPRO, I'm going to the SAP reference image, and here I am doing financial accounting. Suppose I'm doing accounts receivable, payable, I'm creating customers data, line item display. Okay, so line item display I want to do define. So I'm not going to do that and display, open process item, define line layout. So much things are there. Now I'm on the screen. I can go to the directly the screen. Self reference IMG, I can give customer balance, I can go. So like this for new sessions we can use. Why I did not tell you in the previous classes? Why? Because first you have to familiar with the software, you will be easily you can use the software. Then after I was thinking to tell you this. Now it's almost only two topics we have, so I told you this things. Okay, if I go to SAP MG, I can see you can SAP Easy Access customer balance. Now display IMG, and one more, suppose I want to use vendor accounts master data. Okay, again I want to create one more slide slash and FB60, directly I want to go there. So this is also one screen. Enter vendor line item, SAP Easy Access, customer. Okay. If I'll go to the slash and F hyphen 53. So I am going to the post outgoing payments. Okay. So here one sessions, here one sessions, here one sessions, here one session. So whatever is that you can, what is that? Switch to that sessions itself. So understood students? Any doubts you have? So a total, you can just make a note how many stations can be added in SAP software. That is 6. So where you will find these options here. And don't do other things, click see previous first page, say previous page. If I'll go to the previous page, specify the account number, it will ask students, don't do these things and all. Start new sessions you can do, and you can do this. So this and all, find is there, find next is there, control as key for directly save. Okay, what do you want to find you can find, but right now you don't use, maybe it will stuck means you'll be facing from problem for that. So you just follow how in which procedure I taught you. Later on you will go to know less little inside of the software. Once you full familiar, you will be full frequent, freely you can use the softwares, then you will automatically you will get to know which options is used for what. Okay, so that's the things. If you stuck now, it will be problem because this is the last week of this classes. So any doubts is there, you can let me know, I'll clear it. Okay, and one more thing, I am thinking to take one revision class. If our course will be completing by, I think, Thursday or something, today is the Tuesday, then Friday I will revision class I am going to give you. Is that okay students? Friday, I'll give you the one revisions class. In that, whatever you have missed out, you can clarify your doubts from the beginning itself. I know it is a very lengthier things, but by using T code, I will do you faster. Where you are studying, just let me know that. Is that okay, students? So
Yes,
if you are
ma'am.
agreed, put a thumbs up. Definitely, I'll do on Thursday itself. So we have 2 days right now, Wednesday, not Thursday, Friday. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll take one concept like cash journals, and Thursday I'll be taking your dunning procedure, and Friday we'll do revisions class. Friday and Saturday 1 hour. Okay, and Saturday last hour 7 to 8 will be your online exam. So that's all. I'll just show you before ending this little bit. I'll discuss about the cash journals because that concept I'm going to start tomorrow itself. So, what do you mean by cash? See, we have a incoming and outgoing. Cash is called as a liquid assets. You know, we have two assets. Assets means nothing but the property of the business. Fixed assets, as I discussed in the beginning classes, like land, building, furniture, fixtures, all this thing. And cash is known as your liquid assets. Why? Because cash flow statements we are telling cash is incoming and outgoing. If you are purchasing some items, you have to pay money, either it is a cash or it is a check. If you are selling some items, you are getting the money, that is the. So cash is not constant in natures. So in SAP we are creating GL creations for the cash journals. So it's a very small things. Whatever entries we have done through the cash payment, like I have done suppose cash payment, vendor, suppose I purchased some goods and paid by cash. In that case, see one more thing, credit transactions will not display on the cash journals. Check transactions, suppose I am purchasing one computer by check, okay, by giving ICICI bank check, so that transactions will not display on the cash journals. Which transactions we have done, suppose I paid rent by cash, or commissions paid by cash, or computer purchased by cash, or machinery office equipments purchased by cash, that type of transactions can be displayed on the cash journals. Or if I am making if I am getting cash, suppose I sold old furnitures, so I got the cash incoming, that type of transactions, outgoing and incoming, we can create a cash journal. So that is the part, create bank, click on post automatically. This is the procedure has been given. I just discussed what is entries has to be display on the cash journals. This it is a short topics, it's not a bigger one. So it will take just one class and we'll complete it off. And Thursday class will be dunning procedure. Friday will be your revision class. Okay, students. So make a just point out tomorrow's class will be cash journal. Okay, any other doubts? See in your groups one message has come. See, one more thing I want to tell you students, you can download this app. Just click on this link, how to install NICT mobile app, take exams is there. On this Saturdays you will be able to take. And one more thing, if you have not, if those who are a iPhone user, okay, Android user, you can just download NICT app. You will get the study materials also there. So you have to go to the notice and you can see ebook contents will be there. Okay, in ebook you just click on this and that link and you will get the ebook on SAP, that is the study materials, and you will be able to see this. And those who have iPhone user, please install iGenius for iPhone user and download. Our center has messaged in the group, check once all the students. So two link has been sent. So second link is for iPhone user, download and you will get the iGenius app. Okay, so that's the things. Any other queries you have students? So just tell me for 5 minutes if you have any queries.
Ma'am, where is the study material for the iPhone app?
Okay, iGenius. So go to the Google Play Store, install iGenius.
Yes.
Okay, install iGenius,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
that username is your mobile number. I think password. Password is not given. Okay,
Ma'am, I
yeah,
logged in.
username is your mobile number. Password is NICT 59 students. Or if it is not supporting 1234, you can click on this. So it has sir has mentioned in the group our center had NICT Janagar. NICT owner only. He has sent the message. Center head has sent the message. You can see that.
Yes, ma'am, I
And
logged in.
you logged out.
No, I
Log in
logged
once
in.
again. Okay. So what are the screen is displaying? What are the option is displaying there? Can you tell me
My
once?
profile, message, notice,
Yes.
assignments, event.
Click on my profile. You will get all of your details. Click on my
Yes,
profile. So you will get all this, your maybe your registration number, your full name, other things, all the details will be there. Okay. So come back once, and another what is displaying there?
message, notice, assignments, events.
Okay. Click on notice.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the options you are getting there?
421 MCC SAP FICO.
Yes. That you click on that. Click on that.
Okay, ma'am.
So ebook has been provided to all the students.
Yes, ma'am, it's opening.
It's opening. Okay, very good. Now check with this. All this materials has been given. Those who are Android user, you can install NICT app. NICT generator type and install this app. Are you getting Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is ebook. And come back to this again. The first screen assignments or something is displaying that you click. So basically, all the students I am telling in the notice area, you will get the ebook. One what Sanvi told that link you will get. You have to click on this. Okay, A421. A421 MCC it will be there, and you will click on that, and you will get the ebook there. Got it? So you check the message what our center head has sent in the group, and install this iGenius as well as NICT.
Ma'am, I didn't
For
get
an
ma'am.
ebook you have not got. Who is speaking now?
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, Megan.
Ebook you will get. What you are using, Android or iPhone?
Ma'am, normal Redmi, ma'am.
Redmi.
Not not iPhone.
Okay, so you can install NICT app. Just go to the Google Play Store.
Yes, ma'am. I have installed and I have logged in also. I clicked on
Huh.
421 MCC SAP FICO. Uh,
Okay.
they told please click on the link below.
Yes. Click
So I
there.
clicked. It's
View
like
as is displaying view as or something.
about this page. Our system have deducted unusual traffic from your computer network. It's coming
Traffic.
like
Okay. Can you send me the screenshot on the group?
yes,
I will get group only you send it
yes, ma'am.
and mention what is the problem there. Just mention it. What phone you are using that you mention it. We'll get to know that.